Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to share any file and folder from your Windows 11 PC to Mac. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you just need to open that folder, okay, which you want to share. In my case, I am going to share this Technology Mac folder. So I will right click over there on Technology Mac folder, and after that click on show more option, and here you will get up properties. So click over there. And after that you have to go to sharing from this menu, and now click on advanced sharing. Now click on share this folder, just check this option. After that click on permissions, and now here you to select everyone and give the full control. After that apply, then okay, then click on apply, then okay. After that you have to click on the share button, and from here you have to select everyone. Now click on add. After select everyone, select here read and write. From here read and write, and after that click on share. After done, just close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to your control panel. For that you just need to go to your search menu, type control space panel. Here is the control panel app. So I will open that, and after that make sure that view by here, select your category. After that click on network and internet. Click on network internet settings. After that from your left side you will get an option like change advanced sharing setting. So click over there. Now click on all network and just turn off the password protection. If you need password protection for your folder, then you can turn this option on, and make sure that this option is selected, which is turn on sharing, so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folder. So you have to check this option, okay. After that click on save changes. Now after done, go to your search menu once again and type this time cmd, open command prompt, and here you need to type the command called ipconfig, okay. And after that, here is my main Ethernet adapter IP. As you can see, IPv4 address, which is 192.168.0.141. So you just need to copy paste this IP to your MacBook. Now on your MacBook you have to click on go, and after that click on connect to server. After that you have to type over there smb:// after that your IP. So in my case my IP is 141. So after put that IP you just need to click on connect. So now it will take some time to connecting the server to access your share file. So as you can see, it is searching right now. So now I have to put my computer username, means Windows 11 username over there, and username and password over there, computer username and password. And after that you have to click on connect, and it will show all your shared folder over there. So in my case it is Technology Mac. So here is the folder, as you can see. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button, and share button. And if you have any questions, then comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.